and side, hands up, attention, stand at ease, attention. Now all of you be ready for our national anthem. All of you sing together, ready, 1, 2, 3, go. Hands cover up, and side, hands up, and side, hands down. Stand at ease, attention. Stand at ease, attention. Now I would like to call respected speakers. For tomorrow, roll number 1 from grade 8, be ready for Bhakti Swakala, and from grade 7, be ready for your English speech. Hands cover up, and side, hands up, and side, hands down. Stand at ease, attention. Stand at ease, attention. Now to provide some information, I would like to call our vice principal.
Thank you, Teresa. Hands cover up. Hands side. Hands up. Hands side. Hands down. Stand at it. Why did rhythmic sound not come? Attention. Stand at it. Attention. Stand at it. Do you know what is dehydration? What is dehydration? So dehydration is the condition at which there is less amount of water in our body. During summer season, the temperature goes much higher, due to which we sweat too much, means our body loses more water. And if we do not replenish that amount of water, then we may suffer from dehydration. So later on it will be complicated. And to avoid dehydration, we have asked everybody to bring water bottle and water. Are you bringing water bottle and water regularly?
Yes, sir.
So today in first bell, the class teacher will check whether they are bringing water bottle with water or not. It is compulsory to everybody to bring safe and hygienic water from home. Yes, we have installed recently one water treatment plant, but at first you have to bring from home, and you are not allowed to go out without water bottle to drink water. You can go to collect water in your water bottle and drink regularly. You have to drink water in some sort of intervals, not too much water at once. That's why we have made the system. Before starting the lessons, you are allowed to drink water. Please, water your body regularly by drinking safe water, hygienic water. You know that there are some news In Tarai, the temperature has gone very high, and some of the schools are closed also. So you should not play too much in very hot places. But I have noticed students are fond of playing outdoor games every time. When the temperature does not decrease, now we will stop these outdoor games. You can play indoor games only. No playing in the playground in very hot sunlight. And next important thing, students are coming to school by 8 a.m., 8:15 a.m., 8:20 a.m. That's not good. They just come here to roam around and waste time. From tomorrow onwards, your arrival time is 8:40. At which time you have to come? 8:40. Before 8:40, this inner gate will not be open. Remember, when it's 8:40, then only it will open. Then you have to go to your class and be prepared. Don't come very early. What is the arrival time? 8:40 a.m. Is that clear? So now focus on indoor activities. Extreme heat may cause some sort of problem. Attention. Studies. Attention. Studies. So nowadays, the participants for quiz contest, they are practicing. They are rehearsal. They are in rehearsal every day in one period. I hope they may do much better. And if you find they are outstanding, we will send them for inter-school quiz contest competition. But you have to prove your ability and effort. Attention. Cover up. Hand side. Hands up. Clap. Together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. Hands side, hands down. Stand it. Attention. March time. Take it together. Okay. Band doctor. Boys, move forward.
Don't forget to meet everyone, eh?
नमस्कार मैम नमस्कार मैम नमस्कार मैम नमस्कार मैम नमस्कार मैम नमस्कार मैम नमस्कार मैम